today on the farm life. A lesson learned by a beginner farmer. I picked up my lime. As you can see, it's kind of fallen all over the place here. Anyways, couldn't get it out of my trailer and used the tractor to tilt the thing up so I could hook it to the truck. Anyways, it fell out. It weighed so much it broke right through the trailer door, landed on the ground here, and I just tried to push it up with the trailer, and it ain't gonna work. So now it's all spilling out onto the plastic here, so it's gonna have to stay here, and I'll have to shovel it out of the bag from here. A little bit of a pain. But the other thing I didn't realize is these bags aren't waterproof. So now, not only am I dealing with that, but it's all muddy inside too. So I'm not going to have a fun time doing this. But I still like farming. But I don't like this. Anyways, everybody, have a good day, and I'll let you know how this turned out. Bye.